first thing we're going to do is peel and then cube the kohlrabi. So these are the kind of size we're looking at, about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. You can also make these a little bit bigger or a bit smaller if you like. You want a very big bowl. We are now going to add the red pepper flakes. How much you add is up to you. It depends how spicy or basically what color you want it to be. So I'm gonna start with 1 tablespoon. This is the color of your Kakdugi. So if you want to add a bit more, which I think I will, you just add until you're happy. This looks better. I'm just going to set this aside. The hard work is done, all the chopping is finished. All important is the salt. So I'm using sea salt here. We had about 1 kilo, so that's 1,000 grams of kohlrabi. So we need about 2% of sea salt. Each teaspoon is 5 grams. So I'm going to put in 4 of these, level teaspoons more or less. Okay, 3, 4. Fish sauce is commonly added for a bit of flavor. The last thing is a banana. It should be very ripe. Normally we would put 1/2 a banana in, but because these are so small, I'm gonna use 3/4. Okay, now everything is there. Again, we're just gonna toss it and mix. So that's it. Kimchi is done. You can see everything is mixed. It should smell like kimchi. If you taste a bit of the sauce, it should be pretty salty. You can try one now. It will be super sharp, and the flavors like the fish sauce and the salt will be on the outside of the kohlrabi. But if you just leave this for a few days, then it will all gel and be zingy and delicious. There's hardly any liquid in this, but you will see that as the fermentation takes place, the liquid will increase. Just get all of this into a container with a lid and let it ferment. Leave it at room temperature. I like to taste them every 12 hours or so, and when you like the flavor, that's when you stick them in the fridge. That will slow down the fermentation and you can enjoy the kimchi for longer. When accessing your kimchi, always use a clean, dry spoon. All right, I hope you make this and I hope you enjoy.